Hi everyone, this is my second diary entry, so second week of February. So last week I posted about apprenticeships and the live event that I was a panel member for last week. So today was the presentation for Stevenson's College. So it was an event that the college had put on. There's quite a few virtual ones this week as it's apprenticeship week, and I'd been asked to come along as an employer, and the fact that we've had 2 apprentices here that have been with us and graduated last year. So they're 2 apprentices that are fully trained machinists now. So we're really proud of them. So I was talking about that, and the purpose of the meeting was, or this live event was for them to invite employers, potential employers looking for new apprentices, and also for college students that are currently on courses or looking at what their next steps are, to just come and listen to what we've got to say and just really talk about our experiences. And then we've obviously got another apprentice here who's doing, so they're currently doing their apprenticeship through us and studying at Stevenson's College on a level 3 engineering technician course. So they're part way through now. So we were talking about that, and I think really what struck me today was the enthusiasm and how we really need to get behind trying to promote apprenticeships, and also for people that have probably found themselves out of work, if they need to look for transferring to a different career, that actually an apprenticeship is a really good way of getting into a new industry. So really sticking with the theme of apprenticeships, I've been asked this week to be a panel member for an event, a virtual event. So we're really enjoying these virtual events, for Made Futures. Now this is part of the Made group, Made in the Midlands, we're a member of, and that's a networking organisation, and I started with them about a year ago. So I was at a networking event, a virtual one again, being asked to be part of that panel to talk about any opportunities that we've got, or if we're looking in the future for any apprentices and things like that. So that's March the 22nd to the 26th. So that's something that I'll be doing. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, so today's been a positive day. I felt there was some really good questions from some of the sort of students as well. So hopefully we've given them a little bit of inspiration to think about what the next steps are. So that's this week. Let's see what next week brings.